Oh my goodness. So, dito ko lang nakita, nailagay ito. 5 months ago. I think 5 months ago or 6 months ago, Bibi. This one was lost. And I thought na may ghost dito sa apartment natin. Dahil hindi ko talaga ito makita, guys. Hinalungkat ko na lahat. Nag-vacuum kami. Hindi ko talaga makita to. And now it's here. I found it here. Dito lang pala siya nailagay. I don't know kung paano ko nilagay ito nung pinadidik ko si JL. So, yeah. I was thinking na may ghost dito sa apartment namin dahil nawala to 6 months or 7 months ago. So, now I found it. Hindi ko na lang itapon yung bibi ron. Bibi! So, glad found it.